Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your REALME C11, for the first you have to go for your settings. Right now just scroll down and tap on the additional settings. Go for the keyboard and the input method and select Gboard. Click on the theme, and right now we can select one of these themes. We got here colors, landscapes, and also the gradient. I'm going for the simple colors and I will pick up this one. Click here, tap apply, and right now I'm going to show you how it looks when we are going to use our keyboard, for example in the messages. So as you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.